translate WhatsApp messages in your WhatsApp. That is to say, somebody can send you a WhatsApp message and you don't have to, maybe in Spanish, German, French, or any other language that you don't understand. There are some list of languages that are translatable now on WhatsApp, and I'm going to be showing you. Hello guys, welcome to Big Benji Tech Community again, and today I want to bring you a new update on WhatsApp, and this is a very good update which will facilitate your communication for people who are unable to chat with family or with friends or customers that are maybe speaking other languages, and you think it's strenuous to go and translate messages from another translator before you read. Now you can click and hold and translate messages on WhatsApp to other languages without waste of time, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do that on your WhatsApp. And I would like you to, first of all, don't forget, if you're new here, drop a comment on this video, and also make sure you like and you share this video with friends. It's going to be educative. The first thing I'll advise you to do is to update your WhatsApp, all right? And also, I'm sorry, some phones don't accept this. I am sorry that some phones don't accept this, but if you update your WhatsApp and it doesn't still go, then you will have to wait, because it's been rolled out. It's a new update on WhatsApp and it's going to be reaching out to everybody. So let's go into the video so that I will show you exactly how you can do this. Let me use my community group to show you how you can translate messages. And all right, so this is a message that was sent in my WhatsApp group. This is my teaching community. If you want to join, please just comment in the comment section so that I will send you the link so that you can join. And I teach things here before I even create content about. So this message you see here was sent in French. Let me show you how you can translate the message from English to French, from French to English. So you just click and hold the message. You take on these three dots up here. When you click on the three dots, you are going to see, some people don't have it yet. Remember that if you don't have this option, go to the Play Store and you update it. And also your phone matters. Some phones are not accepting now, but later on it will be rolled out to everybody. But as I said, all options or every new update on WhatsApp, I use it before every other person, because I use the WhatsApp beta testers. WhatsApp beta testers are people that we're fortunate. We have 5,000. There are 5,000 contacts in the whole wide world that are having access to this WhatsApp that can always test product updates on this product before it goes to the public. Let's continue. You click on translate. When you click on translate, my language is English. I've already set it up in English. So you go to choose from. So the kind of language, this is French. I click on French. You click on continue. Then now we click on continue. You click translate. You click on translate. You can see now the message reads in English. The message says, "Hello everyone, I hope we slept well." You see it has been translated, and I can take it back again. I can go remove translation. It comes back to French. Do you understand? Please, this is how simple it is. I wish that every one of you should always remember to subscribe, and also drop a comment and tell me if you have tried and this works for you. If it doesn't work for you, tell me in the comment section. I'll tell you what to do. All right, let's get updated and see you in the next video.